This is a review for Part 6 of Mastery Test 2. In Part 6, you're going to write a letter equation from the question. So the problem is, how many miles would the truck go in 4 days? So I need to identify my two units here. My two units are miles and days. Now, to write my equation, I have to identify which unit would go in the answer. So I look for the one that answers the question. Now, because it says how many miles, I know that miles is going to be the one in my answer. Okay, and we're going to have our fraction in there. And so remember, the one in the answer is the one that goes on top of the fraction. So I'm going to have an m on top. And my d for days is going to go in the bottom, and then my d for days is what I'm going to multiply. So I have d times m over d equals m. If we look at letter B, it says each tub contains how many pickles. So my two units are tub and pickles. Again, pickles is the one that needs to go in my answer, which means we're going to have T times P over T in parentheses here is going to equal P. Okay? So if you want to pause the video, you can do that and go ahead and finish C through F. There is also the next part here. Again, it's the same thing. We're going to write the letter equation. How many years did it take to travel 6,000 miles? Again, my two units are years and miles. The one that answers the question is years, because it says how many years. So that is what is going to go in my answer. So I know it's going to equal years. So that will mean I need to start with miles. And since years is what is going to be in my answer, that is what is going to be on top. The m will be on the bottom, and it's going to equal years, again, because the question asks how many years. Okay, so go ahead and finish the rest of these, B through F. Again, once you're done with this, make sure you get it checked off. When you have them all correct, you can go ahead and move on to another part.